Hi guys, welcome to Willhouse HTML tutorial, and today we're going to look at the basic structure of an HTML page or an XHTML page. So let's just open up our directory and create a new file named tutorial2. Let's go in here and let's put a new text document. Let's name it top.html. Click edit or edit with your compiler on the Mac by going to your action bar and clicking your editor and opening the file. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to type out the basic layout or structure of an XHTML page. So just bear with me for a moment. Okay, so this is required on your HTML pages. Let me fix that. And I will put this in the description because you don't need to stress on memorizing this just yet. Because in real life you're going to have a reference if you're programming HTML. So let me type out the rest. Just do your basic beginning HTML tag, as you know. And then we will put XMLNS. And then I will put this addressed in the script. Okay, now we're going to do our head tag. Let me explain. I'll explain to you what all this is in a minute. So bear with me. Okay, so you see this crazy document. I have some explaining to do. So let me explain the first tag. This doc type tag is very essential in creating your HTML page. Now, basically, what it is saying is that this is like where the guidelines to the programming languages are. So if your browser isn't sure where to get it. So the next tag is the HTML. Now the XMLNS attribute of this our HTML tag, which you know, basically shows you where. Well, let's just say this. When you validate your code in a validator, I'm going to show you probably next video. It tells that it's basically just says that it's valid code. The next thing, the head tag. The head tag is where all of your code goes. So it's not the stuff that you see on the web page. It's the stuff that is being done behind the scenes. The next thing is the meta tag. Now, the meta tag has been part of HTML for a long time. The meta tag basically explains what content is on the website, what kind of website it is. So this is an HTML website, and it explains what kind of character set. And a character set is like English characters like hi, or German characters like Heisa, you know, like that, with the S sets and the umlauts. All those are UTF-8. So basically, for computers that can't render this character set, it tells them that it puts it lower on the search results. So basically, this is just explaining what's on the site. So this site is just going to be a test site. So we're going to put the content to test site. Now that you have a test site, we go to the next thing. This is a title. Now the title is basically what you see in the browser. So we're going to put the title. This is going to be the test site. The next thing is the end of the head tag. Now basically, this head tag ends right here. Okay, let's see. Now, if you notice, when you're looking at the meta tag, we have a slash here. We don't end the meta tag, but watch this. Certain tags, such as the meta tag and the break line tag, which makes your browser go to the next line, don't have to have, because if we're just typing the content in the meta, we don't have to have any text right here, do we? I don't think so. So, it's just a simpler way than putting meta and then slash meta. So, the next tag is the body tag. Now this is where your content should go. This is the stuff that the user sees. The user can see text like hi and other fun things like that. So this is the basic content, and this is the way you should lay out your page. I will put this basic code in the description and for further reference. Let's just put the word hi in there again. We'll save this HTML, open it up in our browser, open with Internet Explorer. Let's open it with Google Chrome, even though Google Chrome is a teeny bit slower to launch. As you can see, it says hi. Now, what's the advantage of doing this over just putting the word hi? Well, the thing is, there's a standard, and the duck type, you need that because that shows you where to get the strict rules of HTML. So there's a rule so that for platform independence. Then you need the meta tag because you want to describe where your page is. So if you search it on Google, you'll have a little description. The title, well, you want to have a title for your website. So in this case, it's test site instead of just having this long file name. Let's see. And then that's pretty much it. You want to put your body in the body because you don't want your scripts just turning out to be normal text. You want your scripts and hidden behind the scenes action to be behind the scenes action instead of just writing it all out. So this is the reason why you do this. The next thing I'm going to show you is the validator. And this validates and checks your code and sees if it's correct. So where you want to go is you're going to want to head to google.com or go into your address bar and type the following text: HTTP, and then the standard slash, or you can just type this: validator dot w3 dot org. Okay, and wait for it to load. Now you have to validate by URL, upload, or by validate by directing it. Let's just upload our file because we don't want to just copy and paste it in. Let's go to desktop, Wheelhouse HTML, go into your basic page, go into top.html, and let's test this out. Check. Now let's check where the errors are. Let's see. No coding following no character encoding found. Here, give me a sec. Okay, I'm back, and I've corrected code, and it will be updated in the description. So it's the exact same thing, except at the top we have the question mark XML version. Now this tells you that it's version 1.0, and then the coding UTF-8. So we are good there, and this is the basis for our template. Let's see. Thank you for watching, and this has been a Project RGO. This has been a Wheelhouse HTML video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.